Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you an easy methods on how to fix your Wi-Fi icon is missing in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to proceed with the start icon. Please do a right click and then scroll up and click on Task Manager. The moment you bring up the Task Manager window, please proceed with the left side of that where you can see processes. Click on it, and by here you need to locate for the Windows Explorer. So your Windows Explorer might be running under the apps or it might be running under the Windows processes. So simply scroll down on the list to locate for it. So I can see it here running next to system interrupts. Once you have clicked on it, do a right click and go with restart. So the moment you click on restart, your taskbar would be restarted as well. The moment you've restarted it, check if your Wi-Fi icon is now appearing in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. However, if not, then you need to move on to our next method. Our next method would be you need to press Windows key and R key together, and in that way you would be able to bring up the small window called Run. Here, please type for gpedit.msc. Again, type for gpedit.msc, gpedit.msc. Click on OK to proceed. The moment you click on it, you would be able to bring up this window called Local Group Policy Editor, where here you need to adjust the size of the first row to see all of that clearly. So from here at the Local Group Policy Editor, you need to proceed with the user configuration. Okay, click on the user configuration, click this forward arrow, and it will show you this three keys or three file folders where here you need to navigate with administrative templates. Click this forward arrow to show all of such, and by here you need to navigate with start menu and taskbar. So from the task menu and taskbar, you need to click on this forward arrow again, and from here you would be able to see at the right side of that, you can see a list of settings under the start menu and taskbar. So just adjust the window so that you can see all of that clearly. So here you need to locate for remove network icon. So locate for it, which is remove network icon. Just locate it. So I can see it here, remove network connections from start menu. All you need to do is you need to do a right click and go with edit. And from here in this new window where you can remove network connections from start menu, you need to select on disabled. Once you have disabled that, click on apply and then OK. Once you have set it, you can now close the window and your Wi-Fi icon must be seen in your taskbar in your Windows 11 PC or laptop this time on. Okay? So that's it. Those are the steps on how to fix your problem. If you think those steps help you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.